If you've ever taken beach portraits and ended up with harsh sunlight, blown out highlights, or skin tones that just don't feel natural, this Lightroom edit is going to help a lot. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to edit beach portraits in Lightroom Desktop so your photos look bright, clean, and beautifully balanced without losing that warm summer vibe. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your beach portrait in Adobe Lightroom and go to the light panel. This is where we fix the biggest problem with beach photos, which is usually harsh sun. Start by adjusting exposure until the image feels balanced. You don't want it too dark, but you also don't want the highlights to overpower the subject. Next, pull highlights down somewhere around -50 to -80. This helps recover detail in bright skies, white clothing, and sunlit areas. Then raise shadows by about +30 to +50 to bring back detail in the darker parts of the face, hair, and background. After that, add a little contrast, usually around +10 to +20, just to keep the photo from looking flat. Once the light is under control, move to the color panel. This is where you bring back that beautiful beach feeling. Increase temperature slightly, around +10 to +25, to give the image a warm, sunny look. Then raise vibrance between +20 and +40. Vibrance is great for boosting color without making skin look unnatural. You can also add a small amount of saturation, around +5 to +10, but keep it subtle so the edit still looks natural and clean. Now let's refine the colors even more using HSL. For beach portraits, the blues and aquas are really important because they affect the water and sky. Increase blue and aqua saturation by about +20 to +40 to make the ocean feel more vivid. For skin tones, focus on orange. Raise orange luminance by +10 to +20 so the skin looks brighter and softer, and lower orange saturation by about -5 to -10 if the skin feels too strong or too red. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in keeping portraits flattering and natural. Next, use masking to make the subject stand out. Select the background and gently reduce highlights, or add a bit of color adjustment to keep the background softer and less distracting. This helps your subject become the main focus of the image while still keeping the beach scene visible and airy. If needed, you can also create a subject mask and slightly lift exposure or soften contrast on the person for a polished portrait look. At this point, zoom in and check the skin, the water, and the overall balance of the photo. If the portrait feels too cool, warm it up a little more. If the skin tones look too orange, reduce saturation slightly. The goal is a clean beach edit that still feels natural and sunny, not over-processed. So to recap, fix the harsh sun in light, warm up the color, refine the blues and skin tones in HSL, and use masking to keep the focus on your subject. That's the simple workflow for editing beach portraits in Lightroom Desktop. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Lightroom editing tutorials just like this one.